Hey everyone, and welcome back to Positive Vibes. You guys are awesome. I'm so stoked to have you here for another video. Today, we're diving deep into something that's super important for our overall well-being, our brain health. Let's be real, we rely on our brains for literally everything, but sometimes they can send us little signals that things might be a tad off. Now, don't freak out, but have you ever walked into a room and totally blanked on why you were there? Or maybe you've been feeling a bit more forgetful than usual. If any of that sounds familiar, you're definitely in the right place. We're going to break down 4 common signs that your brain might need a little TLC, and more importantly, what you can do to give it the boost it deserves. And hey, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos about living your best, most positive life. All right, let's talk about memory. Or should I say, those moments when our memory totally bails on us. We've all been there, right? You walk into the kitchen completely forgetting why you're there, again. Or maybe you spend an embarrassing amount of time searching for your keys, only to find them in the refrigerator. Don't worry, we've all been there. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't exercise it, it won't be as sharp. Sleep is crucial for your brain to function at its best. Exercise helps improve blood flow to the brain. And don't forget brain food. Load up on leafy greens, fatty fish, blueberries, and nuts. Your brain will thank you. Okay, let's talk about focus, or rather, that feeling when your brain is basically a browser with a million tabs open. We've all been there, right? You're trying to concentrate on a task, but your mind is racing with a million thoughts. You know, like, what am I having for dinner? Or, did I remember to reply to that email? Or, my personal favorite, is it too early to eat the leftover birthday cake? Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Difficulty concentrating is incredibly common, but it can also be a sign that your brain needs a little help getting back on track. Think of it like this. Your brain thrives on routine. When you establish consistent habits, it helps to calm the mental chatter and allows you to focus on the task at hand. So, what are some easy ways to create a brain-boosting routine? First up, let's talk about mindfulness. Taking a few minutes each day to meditate, practice deep breathing exercises, or simply be present in the moment can work wonders for your concentration. Another game changer? Minimizing distractions. I know, easier said than done in today's hyper-connected world. But trust me, creating a dedicated workspace, silencing those pesky notifications, and setting boundaries with technology can make a world of difference. And speaking of boundaries, let's talk about multitasking. I know it sounds impressive to juggle a million things at once, but in reality, our brains just aren't wired for it. When you try to do too many things at once, you end up sacrificing quality and focus. So, do your brain a favor and embrace the power of single tasking. Chapter 3. Mood Swings, the Emotional Rollercoaster. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all have our moments, right? Some days you wake up feeling like $1,000,000, ready to conquer the world. And other days, you're basically a grumpy cat meme come to life. Now, while occasional mood swings are a normal part of life, experiencing them frequently or with intense severity can sometimes indicate that your brain chemistry might be a little out of whack. Think of it like this. Your brain relies on a delicate balance of neurochemicals to regulate your mood. And when these chemicals are out of balance, it can lead to those all too familiar feelings of irritability, anxiety, sadness, or just generally feeling blah. So, what can you do to help your brain find its happy place? Well, first and foremost, if you're experiencing persistent or severe mood swings, it's crucial to reach out to a healthcare professional. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend the best course of treatment. But beyond that, there are tons of things you can do to naturally support your brain's mood-boosting power. First up, let's talk about exercise. I know, I sound like a broken record here, but seriously, exercise is like a magic pill for your brain. When you get moving, your brain releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Plus, exercise can also help improve sleep quality, reduce inflammation, and boost self-esteem, all of which can have a positive impact on your mood. And speaking of mood-boosting activities, let's not forget about the power of connection. Spending time with loved ones, engaging in hobbies that bring you joy, or simply stepping outside for some fresh air and sunshine can do wonders for your mental well-being. Chapter 4. Why am I always exhausted? The fatigue factor. All right, let's talk about fatigue. That feeling when you're basically running on fumes, no matter how much sleep you get. We've all been there, right? You wake up feeling exhausted, drag yourself through the day, and collapse on the couch the second you get home. Now, while occasional fatigue is normal, especially if you've had a late night or a particularly busy week, experiencing persistent or excessive fatigue can sometimes be a sign that your brain is seriously craving a timeout. Think of it like this. Your brain is like a battery. When you're constantly on, working, scrolling, thinking, worrying, it drains your brain's energy reserves, leaving you feeling depleted and exhausted. So what can you do to recharge your brain battery and boost your energy levels? Well, first things first, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress is a major energy zapper. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing a surge of hormones that leave you feeling wired and exhausted. So finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for boosting your energy. Whether it's meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or simply taking a few minutes to de-stress and unwind, prioritizing stress management is key. Next up, let's talk about sleep hygiene. I know, I sound like a broken record here, but establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment can work wonders for improving sleep quality and boosting your energy levels. And last but not least, let's talk about hydration. When you're dehydrated, your brain doesn't function at its best, leading to feelings of fatigue and brain fog. So make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and energized. Outro. Give your brain some love. So there you have it, positive people. 4 common signs that your brain might be begging for a break and some practical tips to show your brain some love. Remember, taking care of your brain health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the positivity and help each other prioritize our brain health. And don't forget to subscribe to the Positive Vibes channel for more videos on living your best, most fulfilling life. Until next time, stay positive, my friends.